What's up guys? Welcome back for another YouTube video. Last time ang nilaro natin is placement match pa yon. So this time totoong rank na talaga siya guys. Please like and subscribe to support my channel guys. Let's go! Okay, so wala pa palang scoop yung baril ko guys. Okay, hindi ko man lang siya napatay. Okay, nice one. Ayun, may meron sa baba. Oops, ba't tumalon yung karakter ko? Okay, kahit wala na yung kalaban guys, so binabaril pa rin natin. Okay. Ako pa yung namatay kaysa dun sa nasa harap ko.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Feeling ko, sniper area to dito.
Sniper. Changing mag. Cover me.
Let's see. Feeling ko sniper yun eh. Ah, diba? Sniper area nga yun dun guys.
Lost the lead.
Okay, current score is 8 sa amin, tsaka 13 sa kalaban. Asan yun? Meron pala dun. Okay, first time ko sa mapa na to guys. Ayun. Oh. Try again.
Lost the lead.
Okay, ayun. Ay, hindi tayo nakapatay. Oops, saan yun namamaril? Ayun, sa likod. Dalawa sila. Hindi ko pa napatay yung isa. Okay, dito tayo dadaan. Okay. For the next game, second game guys. Mag-sniper tayo dito. Tapos, doon tayo sa sniper area. Let's go.
Tango down. Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me.
Oops. Akala ko lulusot dun guys.
Taking the lead.
Okay. Okay, napatay natin. Kaya akala ko talaga lulusot dun. Hindi pala.
Sniper. Sniper eliminated.
Nice one. Okay, so dito lang tayo tatambay guys. Since sniper naman yung gamit ko and nasa sniper area ko. So, dito na muna tayo.
Target in sight.
Okay, dalawa. Nice one. Headshot. Wala yung isa. Siguro bumaba.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Nice one. Headshot na naman ba ulit?
Reload.
May feeling ko headshot yun eh.
Target down. Predator missile on standby.
Okay. Yun, let's go. Natapos din ang isang game. Kanina, frontline lang yon. So ngayon, tatry nating i-select all. Maging hardpoint, search and destroy, team deathmatch, or domination. Basta sa 5 dun. So, start natin. Oh, so need pa palang i-download yung ibang maps, guys. Since data lang ang gamit ko, and nakakaubos yun ng MB, kaya next time ko na lang siyang ida-download. So for now, back to frontline lang muna tayo, guys. Okay, let's go. Yung palang skin na yan, guys, nakuha ko lang yan ng libre. Claim lang ako, tapos yun, may mga lumalabas na skin na natatanggap ko, guys. Mag-login ka lang araw-araw. Okay, yung map na to, medyo kabisado ko to.
Sniper. Reloading. Cover me.
Medyo lang naman. Pero feeling ko yung baril ko yung hindi ko pa kabisado eh.
We've taken the lead. Enemy sight.
Ah, diba? Ang lapit na nun, pero hindi ko pa rin natamaan, guys. Ay, di ko alam kung ano yung binabaril ko, pero natamaan ko. Ano siya dito? Ayun.
Reloading. Get down.
Nasa likod ko lang. Nilikod ako.
Enemy down.
Okay, so hindi ako yung nakapatay doon. Yung baril na yun, guys, lagi kong ginagamit yun sa Rules of Survival dati. Yun yung second baril namin na ginagamit, guys. Kung alam nyo yung larong yun.
Recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. Enemy down. Reloading. Cover me.
Okay, feeling ko need kong i-change yung sa settings. Kasi masyadong ano ata yung baril ko eh. Masyadong malikot. Okay, next game na.
Changing mag. Get down, sniper. Changing mag. Cover me. Enemy down. You've taken the lead.
Ay, munti ka na tayo dun.
Predator missile awaiting orders. Target down.
Nakikita ko yung isa.
Changing mag.
Nice
Cover me.
one.
Target's in sight. Changing mag. Changing mag. Cover me.
Ang ganda ng baril, guys. Oh.
Reloading. Cover me.
Okay.
Target down. Contact with enemy. Objective almost.
5 na lang, guys, and mananalo na tayo. Okay, 4 na lang. tatlo na lang. Ay, ba't yun pa yung binaril ko? Hindi ka na tayo dun ah. Ang ganda ng baril guys ah. Hey. Okay, nice one, victory. Kahit ganun yung laro ko guys, naging MVP yung akin. So, that's all for today's video guys. Mag-comment kayo kung anong mga games ang gusto nyong laruin ko for the next video guys. Yung sa cellphone lang, yung pwede sa phone. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Peace, yo.